Now you may be pleased to know that we are about to cover our last data structure before moving on to some more exciting programming concepts such as control flow that make our programs come to life. But first things first, let's understand sets so we can use them in our programs when use cases crop up. So what is a set? Well, a set is simply an unordered collection of items, where every set element, i.e. the item in a set, is unique. In other words, you'll never find a duplicate value in a set. Now, every element in a set must be immutable in nature. So as you know, this means it should contain things like strings and integers, for example, as these cannot be changed. However, a set itself, i.e. the data structure, is actually immutable, so we can perform more methods on them than we observed with tuples. For example, we can add or remove items to and from a set. Now, sets can also be used to perform mathematical set operations like union, intersection, and symmetric difference, all of which we will cover later in this section. Now, creating an empty set isn't the same as creating an empty list or an empty dictionary by simply placing a set of brackets, for example. So let's find out in the next video how we create sets as well as how we create an empty set.